everyone. A lot of children today refuse to stay in their father's house. Do you believe me? Maybe because you have crossed, your parents paid your school fees, managed your opportunity, they took you out of the country. You reached there and married the first husband. He came down, he did not pay bride price, he stayed with you. Why do I say it's marriage? When Jesus Christ met the woman in the well, remember, he said, you have 7 husbands. Who are those husbands? Those husbands are the ones who has not paid bride price on her head. And that's why I'm saying it. You pay bride price on that man. That man paid bride price. He did not pay bride price. You gave birth. Tomorrow he mess up. You send that one out. You got married to another one. After all, you have your citizenship. You can give any man. Another one came. You are slapping the man. You are doing anything to the man. You are disrespecting the man. Now this one gave you belly, you born again, and this one left again. Now the third one, the first one, no bride price. Second one, no bride price. Third one, no bride price. Sister, please, I am begging you, accept one. Let one pay your bride price. And that one that have paid your bride price is the one who is your husband. No matter how long you stayed in marriage, and yet your bride price have not been paid, you are not married though. You never marry. Do you believe me? You never marry at all. No matter how long, if it's 20 years, 30 years, you stay with that man. You have 5 kids. Yet the man have not paid bride price. The man have not married you. Please, as a man, instead of continue staying with that woman that you did not pay bride price, why not get up and go and pay bride price? Some men will not like to pay bride price on a woman's head. They like to stay with this one. Tomorrow they go with another one. Next tomorrow they go with another one. I want to tell you this. The only time a man will obey you is that first love. When that man have just come, don't agree to stay with him. When you agree to stay with him, belle no dey ring bell. Pregnancy no dey ring bell before you go enter. Once you agree that first time, but if you say no, you love me, pay my bride price. The first one may come and go. The second one will come and go. But the third one will come and know that you're a responsible woman. Every responsible woman today. And you are hearing my voice. And that man you are staying with now have not paid your bride price. Can you come out of it? Come out of it. And you are a responsible man. You have not paid the bride price of your wife. Please, I beg you, pay bride price so that your children will even be proud of you. Not just being in the life of the children. You will be paying their school fees, giving them food, doing everything, moving them out of the country. Yet, the children, you have not paid any bride price on their mother. Children will ask you question tomorrow. Don't even buy on that situation because it will not be nice. The children will not be happy. Make your children look responsible. Make your people value your children. Don't allow people to curse your children. Maybe because of something else that have happened between you and your wife. Everybody and the husband, they get problem. Everybody and the wife, they get problem. We know they discuss her. It is normal thing. That man you don't know from Adam. He came from somewhere. And today, 2 of you are husband and wife. Why won't you fight? The only thing is this. After fighting, after having issue, how do you settle it? If you try to settle it, the 2 of you, that is the best.